Hey everyone, another great app which has gone free for good. In case you like electric cars or you have an electric car, this is a very good app for you. So the app is called, you head over to App Store and the app is called Plug Me 17. So you will find it and here it is, Plug Me 17. Now this app was paid one, but recently it has gone free for good. So all of you who have electric cars and you're wondering how to find the charging stations, this app will help you to find those charging stations with ease. Of course, depending on your location, so not every city is covered. So there you go, the app is downloaded. When you open it up, you will see the introductory interface. Right, so if you want to enable it and find the nearby charging points, you need to allow for location. So currently I'm in Dubai, and let's see if it works. Right, so there is only one charging station near me. I don't have an electric car anyway, so it doesn't matter. But when you go and you zoom out, you will see all sorts of different EV stations. You can see it shows you the location, how far is it. You can go to the website, you can add it to your favorites. It's pretty neat, and most importantly, it's a free app, so go ahead, download it and use it. Plug Me 17.